Today we have traveled to Västerås, a city in the middle of Sweden. And we are just about to meet a company who has invented a product in the area of machine vision. So please come with me today and visit this company, Meeq, in Västerås.
We build measurement systems based on the POSI technology that is world leading in measuring 6 degrees of freedom with one sensor. And the sensor measures its own position. It's referring to some type of references in the surroundings. This system we use is camera based. We use cameras like this. This is camera 1.4 megapixel. Camera link, can run at 100 Hertz. We run it at 60 Hertz. We actually have one we carry in our hand. We also have another camera at the back of the displays. When you walk around, you have displays out here. But the sensor that measures your head's position is this sensor. These two measures better than your eye and your sense of balance where the head is and where your hand is. To do that, we actually use machine vision. This sensor looks at something it knows the position of, and that's up in the ceiling. And up in the ceiling there is a lot of black dots on white surface, in this room at least. These have fixed positions, and if we know where those spots are, we can calculate where this one is. We calculate with a high resolution, high sub-pixel level, where these spots are. These dots, black dots are. That is done by machine vision, and rather extreme machine vision actually. So when having done that, we use the information where the dots are in this picture we take to calculate where do we have to be to see exactly this picture. And that is in all 3 degrees of freedom, X, Y, Z, and the rotations around those axes.
This is so cool. I wish you all could see what I see right now. But it just can't be explained in words. What I see just in front of me now is this thick wooden pole. And I'm thinking about walking right into it, but it's not a very pleasant feeling, you know. Now I'm approaching this wooden pole and I don't like it at all. And now I just pass through it. You can imagine this feeling, you know. It's like you want to fall down.
And in your hand you're carrying a teapot?
Yeah, it's a teapot that I can control, and I can control this teapot and I can pour tea out of this teapot. And now there's tea that is flowing down on the floor behind me. I can lean out through this opening in the wall and I can watch outside. What I'm seeing right now is like the land shape of Mars.
I studied at Chalmers University. I studied engineering physics. Had specializing last year mainly in measurement technology. I've already at that time made up my mind to go into measurement technologies. So the first job or employment I had was for AB in Karlskoga, the ordnance manufacturer, to solve measurement problems within the defense and ordnance sector, explosives and tests of different things in the production or on the proving ground. After that, I've moved on to Västerås. Well, brief thing for ASEA Traction, but then I stayed most of the 80s at ASEA ABB Robotics, dressing up robots with sensor systems so they could adapt to the environment in the industry. After 1 or 2 years in the Institute of Optical Research, I started my own company in '89, and well, here we are.